Hey guys, it's Matt here with Burns Power Tools, and today I'm going to be opening up the DeWALT corded/cordless inflator. Now, this is the 2 only, so I gotta find a battery around here somewhere. But this is the model DCC020IB. And now what would you use this bad boy for? This thing is also purchase a 120 volt AC wall plug if you want, but if you're out in the woods and you're camping, you wanna, inflate that mattress before you have to lay down in the back of your truck because you got lost hunting, this is the thing for you. Now it comes with a high pressure hold, threaded metal chuck, and a bunch of attachments that we're going to take a look at. So I'm going to pop this open and take a peek. Hey Rich, can you give me a battery? Do you have a battery? Give me a battery. 20 volts please. 20 volts! Alright. Woo! Did you see that? That was really sweet. Check this out. And that was Rich's hand. Hand to hand. I hope he washed it. He probably didn't wash it. There you go. So, as you can see, it is in here. We have the manual once again. This is great reading material that nobody ever explores. I'm not sure Rich has ever read a manual in his life. Nope, but if he has, he should read this one before he uses this. He'll learn all sorts of fun things. Which is very smooth and easy to use. Bye-bye box. Bye-bye bag. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in the battery because I'm not in a truck right now or a car. I hope this is charged. Is this battery charged, Rich? Yep. Alright, thanks, Rich. Let's see. Let's test. Oh, there we go. 3 stars. 3 stars. Now this is super easy to use. So these are the attachments. So we have 3 different attachments. We're going to use this one right here because we're going to fill up a soccer ball. Why do we have a deflated soccer ball? Because nobody plays soccer in America. That's why we have a deflated soccer ball. But maybe we'll change that today by filling this up. So what I'm going to do is turn it on. Now this right here is as you can see, it has the dual LCD digital gauge, and it's illuminated with the LED light. You could set this PSI all the way up to 160. It goes in half PSI increments. Is that the right word? I don't even know. So I'm going to keep going. As you can see, you could go all the way up to $1.60 if that's what you want. I'm going to zoom in. You guys ready for this? Let's see if I can do it. Zooming in. Boom! Alright, I'm going to shut it off and show you again. Off. On. Ta-da! And there you can see it goes up in half increments. All the way up to 120. Now, if I was to inflate this to 120, there would be a very large bag. So we are not going to do that today. Although maybe I should. I'm not entirely sure. But this also has a high volume heavy duty plastic hose right here as well. So if you have an air mattress, like I said earlier, or a kid's inflatable tool, or maybe you're going rafting and you need to inflate what you're gonna float down the Salt River with, you can use this right here. You can also use it to deflate as well if needed. Now this will work on tires, balls, bikes, whatever you kind of want, which is nice. All right, so now we're gonna get this going. Talked about the power sources. So what do you think I should set this at? How much PSI should I put in the soccer ball, guys?
I would start with like
9. 9 PSI. Rich is calling for 9. All right, so I'm going to set this at 9. Niner. I'm going to set the hose aside just for fun. I'm going to grab this. Now you're going to watch me deflate this ball. Let's see if I can actually do this. Wow, that's the
8.7.
It's the sound of freedom escaping. Goodbye, Europe. Goodbye, Europe and your foosball. I'm just kidding. You're in America now, soccer ball. This is what we do to soccer balls. Okay, that's enough. All right, so now I'm going to inflate this. I gotta figure out how to do that. In here, you're going to see the power source. So that is to go in a cigarette lighter, in your car, truck, van, whatever it may be. This here, I'm going to take this bit, I'm going to zoom in again. You guys ready? Meow. Let's see if the focus can keep up with me. Come on, focus. Come on. There you go. So, it's just a nice little thread. The focus is totally out of focus. Sorry, it's the camera's fault. So there you go. I'll thread this up. Now, I've not used this before, and this is basically live to tape. So I'm gonna go 8.5 PSI. Now, one of the things we will notice when we do this is this actually has a shutoff valve, an automatic shutoff valve. So I'm gonna pop that in the soccer ball like so. I'm gonna come over here, and all I'm gonna do is hit start and watch. Now we're at 3.1, 3.3. It's climbing. You can see it right there. I really hope it was 8.5. It's getting quite... phew. And there it is. And now, we here at Burns have a soccer ball. Yay! So guys, these run for 99 bucks. We have them on the website and in store. Batteries are sold separately. But it does come with the power source, so you can get started right away. If you have any questions, just come by the store. Ask us. If you need to inflate a soccer ball, we could do that. Although we would prefer if it was a football. Come on now, 'tis the season. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll talk to you soon. No, come on. You gotta juggle.
No.
Come on, you're walking away.
Yep.
This is going in the video.
No.
So right now, America is seeing that you don't care.
I don't want to be in a video.
Who wants to see a bear juggle a soccer ball? Do it again, come on.
Put me on the spot here. Thanks.
Yeah.